Soybeans made some gains to start the week, but fizzled out on Wednesday. Michelle Rook is back with a look at what's on the minds of traders in markets now.
DuWayne, Bosse, Bolt Marketing joining us, and we had a down day on Wednesday in the grain sector, and it really felt like a risk-off day kind of led by this wheat market.
Yeah, it really did. We had some better rains in the southern plains that started to push the wheat market lower, went through some support levels, and then that also pulled the corn and soybeans down as well.
So, DuWayne, as far as that wheat market, certainly there's been a lot of speculation about whether we're going to get the export corridor, that deal extended. Is that also being worked in? I mean, is the market believing that we're going to get that?
I think so. Yesterday there was some news that broke that Ukraine wants a 1-year extension on this deal, and I think most people in the trade believe they will eventually get that. But yeah, Russia will play its game and they'll act like they can't open it, but they need it open almost just as much as Ukraine does. So I do think eventually they'll get it open.
And as you mentioned, we kind of weighed on the soybean market, but soybeans also on Tuesday, with a lot of bullish news, failed to take out the previous week's highs. So, what is it going to take to get through that level? I mean, should we be surprised we're consolidating a little?
No, I don't think we should be. And I don't know what the news is to push us through those old highs you just asked about, Michelle. If we couldn't do it on Tuesday's trade, I don't know how we're going to get it done. So sellers kind of took over after we failed to make new highs there.
Yeah. So do you think the South American story, the bullishness about crop concerns, is that already played out?
I think for the most part, yes. I've been the one really kind of pushing and saying this Argentina drought is for real and we need to go higher. But I mean, we are right near the highs, and I think that can get us there. But I think we need a news story to push through that 50-50 area.
Yeah, we need some problem with Brazil's harvest to slow down. I know it's a little slow, but that's kind of one of the big keys, wouldn't it be?
It is. That would be a key that would really help. But yeah, it's not that slow. Talking to people in Brazil, they said, we're really close to the average. They're really excited to plant that safrinha crop right behind the soybeans. So I don't think there's that bullish story to push us above that resistance quite yet anyway.
And corn is still a follower?
Corn is coiling and following just about every other market, isn't it? Kind of a bit of a boring story, I would say. And with our poor demand here, meaning exports and maybe even the ethanol demand is kind of poor, that failure here is stopping us from going up above that $7 mark.
Okay, thanks for joining us, DuWayne Bosse with Bolt Marketing. More Ag Day coming up.
For marketing advice, call Bolt Marketing, a futures and options brokerage firm.